Did you know fixing a fan inside a power amp is one of the easiest things to fix inside a power amplifier? Why? Why? Okay, I'm going to show you in a few minutes why. But first, we need to open this PV C4000 first. Specifically, I'm going to show you how to fix a fan inside a PV power amplifier. But I believe fan is a fan, so whether you're fixing a PV or any other power amp, it's the same thing. Let's get started and show you why fixing a fan is the easiest thing to fix inside a power amplifier. You're going to need this to open it up. CS4000 CS4000. So I'm going to show you which fan is not working. It kind of blew up in a church service. This is a power amp that we use in back in my church. So I'm going to show you which fan is not working. So as you can see, this one is not moving. This one is moving. Okay. Yes. This one is the one that is not functioning. This one is functioning. This one is not functioning. So the reason why I said fixing fan is the easiest thing to do is because it's because these fans are just connected and you don't need to do any soldering. You will not need a soldering gun, you will not need a soldering wire. It's just something that you remove and replace. Okay, so I bought a new fan and I'm going to show you how to replace it. One thing you'll need to consider is the voltage of the fan that your amplifier is using, because you might end up buying a 12 volts when your amplifier needs a 24 volts or 48 volts. So I checked this one and I found out that it needs it's a 24 volts fan. So I ordered this from a friend of mine in the city and they sent me via parcel. So this is a 24 volts. So if you're going to replace PV, since I'm fixing a PV fan, you'll need to order a 24 volts fan. Okay, you'll need a 24 volts fan. All right. Okay, I think we should get to it. So you need to open these 4 bolts here and you need to replace the cable inside. So first things first, you're going to open it.
We got that low on this beats.
So how you're going to remove the fan? So once you move the screws, you're just going to pull it out like that. See, once you pull your fan outside like that, you're going to disconnect here like this, and that's it. The one that we're going to replace it with. So you're going to repeat the same process that you did. You're going to connect this one back to the motherboard. Make sure it's inside. Yeah, nice. It's nice and easy. Then I'm going to return this one back. So you make sure this side faces inside and not this side, because this is where the air comes from. The air will come from this side and passes through this heatsink towards this opening. We have an outlet. This is the outlet. So this is the inlet through the heatsink, which cools these are the circuits, integrated circuits, the ICs. So and all this stuff inside. So the cold air will pass through here, through this heatsink, which will be very hot, towards this opening with the outlet. Nice. So we're going to return this. It's the same process. So you're going to pull this in, push this one inside here. See? Then you're going to close it up. Make sure you have this. So that's it. Now before we return the cover, we have to make sure that it is working. So we are going to connect power and confirm if it is working. This is the moment of truth. So let's power it up. Then there we go. It's working. So they are both working. As you can see, they are both working nicely. Let's switch it off and confirm. See? This one is the one that we just fixed. Let's confirm again.
We got Bello on this beats.
Let's confirm again. Nice. Is fixing a fan inside the power amplifier the easiest thing to fix inside the power amplifier? I guess you have the answer. So guys, make sure you share this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, and don't wonder what this channel is about. This channel is about everything that I do in life. Yeah, so kindly share, make sure you subscribe, make sure you ring the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Peace guys.